Hi, in this video, you will get to know the simple tricks and tips about how to use audio into VN editor. There are three type of audios. One is music that you can import from your library, mobile phone, and from the VN editor network. They have their own original files that you can use. And the third one is the record. So you can record your voice as my current video I have recorded using my original voice, and similarly I've used the audio feature. So you can easily do the cut trim of your audio. You can set the volume, you can mark the beat, and you can use during the transition of your video. Also, you can create the folders for your music playlist, and you can mark the song as a star so that that can be favorites and you can reuse whenever you will need it. You can easily import the audio from your phone or mobile library, that is your favorite playlist, and you can also create the folders for your music and store it into respective files. I hope this video was useful for you, so you must go and try now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.